Yes, sir.
Hurry the fuck up.
4-wheel drive. Rubber tires. From 1 to 5 stars, how much do you rate the cart?
0.
Would not buy again.
Go! Hurry the fuck up.
First Menpachi of the night. Good scrap. Didn't get it on video, but yes, 2 down, baby. Big boy. I don't know if you can see this stuff down here, but this is what the fish is eating. You can see it in its mouth. He's puking it all up right now. Crazy sunrise. On a scale of 1 to 10, would you do it again?
What? Drag this fucking thing out here? 0. 0 fucking chance. Oh my god.
Beep beep! Beep beep! Pit stop. Oh. Hey, bro, your strap is fucking holding up.
I didn't think of it.
I'm glad you guys are fucking enjoying this.
I give you props because I would have. That fucking cart would be in the bushes right now, bro. That was mine.
I was
Been.
this close to
Would have been.
that's why I looked at all of this. I thought, fuck it, can I carry all this right now?
Look at all these crab holes. All these mountains of sand are crab holes. All the way down the whole beach. Pretty crazy. Yes,
We made it.
Wait, you like load them up in here? Alright, you guys good.
I'm gonna need this whole thing better if it didn't come back with fish.
Yeah.
Come your home. This is your home.
Make sure
Come here, home.
One bottle water and
Yes,
some ice.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Hey, you cannot steal them.
What you got in there? Or the Rangland.
Don't Ford tough, guys.